So it's nice to see a question from limits, but I think it's pretty easy, especially for JEE Advanced standards. So what we have is limit plus 1 minus x square 1 into upon x by sin x. What I did is the two broke the numerator into two different parts. So this becomes e to the power x cube minus 2. So now the hope is that this limit exists, and this will go to 1, this will go to 1. So all we need is to focus on this term and this term. So let's see this term first. So we'll simply write e to the power x cube as 1 plus x cube because the x tends to 0. So we get 1 plus x cube minus 1 minus x cube to the power 1 by 3 would be written as 1 minus x cube by 3. The higher power terms we are ignoring for now in the hope that this limit will exist. Times this thing will become 1. So 1 gets cancelled and this becomes 4 by 3. So the limit exists and is 4 by 3. Now moving on to this part, we'll again do the binomial expansion to get square by 2, ignoring the higher power parts. This thing becomes 1, so this will become minus half because 1 gets cancelled. So this limit is minus half, so our final limit is 4 by 3 minus 1 by 2, which is 5 by 6. So the final answer of this list, beta, is 5 by 6. So the value of 6 beta becomes 5. So the answer is 5. So it was a routine limit question, and yeah.